place of Andhra Vijayawada is been nicely decorated and Pavan Venkatakumar, the captain on the right, Lady Rajshekhar Reddy, Chekati Chekanaga. This is the best defense of the Yuva Andhra champ. The countdown is underway and it will be the first raid from Chekka Nagababu, who will go out there and raid. Yeah, the left raider. Watch out on that right corner. It'll be really nice to see how Raidu Chandrasri Sai will go against him. He likes to start his raids by attacking the right corner. He's thinking that he's got a bonus point. He's very confident. 93.8 is his raid strike rate, and add another one to it. A bonus point. Big start from Chekka Nagababu. And of course, it's been a big start as well for one of the new entrant into the Yuva Kabaddi Series family is Amit. Good evening, Amit. Welcome.
गुड इवनिंग नवीन एंड सभी दर्शकों का एक बार फिर स्वागत है इस बड़े मुकाबले में।
कबड्डी सीरीज के इस कुटुंब में, इस फैमिली में आपका अनुभव कैसा रहा आज तक?
नवीन, सबसे पहले इस सवाल को पूछने के पहले एस्केप किया वो काबिले तारीफ है। देखिए, वॉक लाइन के आसपास जिस तरीके से वो कार्य कर रहे थे, वहाँ पर डाइविंग मानसिक दबाव आपके ऊपर रहता है। और जैसा कि आपको पूछा कि मेरा किस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है यहाँ पर, ओहो बेहतरीन एंकल होल्ड, और यही एक्सपीरियंस की हम बात कर रहे थे। जिस तरीके से रोमांच कबड्डी के इस खेल में मैंने देखा है, काबिले तारीफ। और अपने आप को एक इस बड़े खेल से जुड़ने के साथ साथ मैं समझता हूँ कि ये मेरा एक सौभाग्य है कि कबड्डी जैसे खेल रोमांच से भरपूर अब तक के मुकाबले रहे। काफी कुछ करने से यहाँ पर देखने को मिली है, कई सारी प्रेरणादायक कहानियां खिलाड़ियों की देखने के लिए मिली है इस बार।
Yeah, true, and very importantly, see what is happening is Raidu. He will
अंदाजा लगा पाएंगे कि बोनस के बाद जब विजयनगरम निंजास की टीम वापस गई है, तो सबसे खास बात उस टीम की ये है, न सिर्फ चेक्का नागाबाबू
has shown that he can raid, he can defend, he can manage the team very well, and that is an ankle hold with a zero position.
बिल्कुल, अगर आप देखेंगे राइट कॉर्नर पर जब वो गए, जिस तरीके से वहां पर वो एंकल होल्ड किया, उसके बाद अगर आप देखेंगे बढ़िया सब
been a super duper revelation from here on in. You know, he went in for that India colors as well. Do or die raid. You don't send your out of the bench. And look at that. He broke the chain of, the other man, Gagan Gowda. He's a tall, lanky raider. Durga Prasad will be ankle held. Vijayanagar Ninja just playing with the defense of 5. You don't get anything. But yeah, Gagan Glorious Gowda, we used to call it. उन्होंने क्षमा भी मांगी, sorry भी बोला वहाँ पर. That shows the sportive spirit. And another do or die raid. Ankle hold. That's it. It's Kanchala Shri. Held that ankle hold so strongly, held that one and just threw the raider away. Ah, brilliant. Oh, this is a multiple point raid. Palleti Brahma Reddy finally. I think he is coming into his true colors.
Kurnool Knights.
बिल्कुल, ये तो अच्छे तरीके से रंग मिलाया। देखिए किस तरीके से एस्केप किया। जरूर वहाँ पर डिफेंस मौजूद था, लेकिन डिफेंस मौजूद है, बोनस के लिए उनको मौका दिया जाएगा या नहीं। वहाँ पर श्रीकांत मौजूद है, क्या पीछे से आएंगे? श्रीकांत की तरफ गए और श्रीकांत ने जो पट्टा मारा है, कमाल का प्रदर्शन यहाँ पर। एक बार फिर कुर्नूल नाइट्स की तरफ से।
That is a Kusti move. That is a Kusti move. He definitely comes from a Kusti family. Look at that back hold and look at the flip that he does. That is a proper Kusti move. Welcome to Kabaddi. Kanchala Shrikant from the Kusti platform. That is a definite 3-pointer. Yeah, not this one. This is an all-out. Amazing. Just amazing. And this is, that is definitely Pavan Venkata Sai. And then there we go. Even of Yuva Kabaddi Series. Chekka Nagababu on 94 now. 5 defense, kicks, right corner, ankle hold, no support. Iswara Sai Ram. Yeah, it was strong. He needed support. He really needed support. In the step of Palleti Brahma Reddy, he knows the momentum is with the Kurnool Knights. No angle. Gopi is a cover defender on that left corner.
65 अंक हैं, वो दूसरे नंबर पर हैं, तो आप अंदाजा लगाइए चेक्का नागाबाबू जो सबसे नंबर 1 पर चल रहे हैं। ओह,
he went into the lobby. There we go. He did not touch anybody on that left. Been a problem. See, look at the
लेकिन चेक्का बाबू उनका प्रदर्शन बहुत ही मजबूत है।
Point. Palleti Brahma Reddy, in fact, on that occasion, he was not trying to go for the point. It was trade. Amit, he will be under pressure if he does not get a touch point or a bonus here.
प्रेशर तो हो तोड़ पाना फिलहाल उनके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं है। विजयनगरम के सबसे बेहतरीन रेडर आए और देखिए उनका
only 1 point, isn't it? That's why I always say it should be the Raiders. Oh, this is good. Poligala Vamsi attacks. Bonus +1.
नवीन क्या लगता है आपको यहाँ से क्या अब वो शिफ्टिंग ऑफ मोमेंटम आ सकता है, क्योंकि कुंचला श्रीकांत दुर्गा प्रशांत अब रेड के लिए तैयार है, क्या कुछ कर सकते हैं, कर गुजरने की आशा यहाँ पर विजयनगरम निंजास की। लेकिन
Go for the running hand touch, and he knows that Raidu Chandrasai has nabbed him twice, and he will again be nabbed. Will there be a jersey pull? No, I don't. Shrikant Amit. No, it's another defender. Vonnela Sai Kumar comes in. Hats off, and it's a very good debut for the officiating teams as well. But super tackle Amit, 99. Can he get it? Kanchala will be the man. Has he cleaned him off? Is he? Oh yes, it's a super duper win. What a way to go up there and get the 100th raid point. Phenomenal, fabulous, and just scintillating and outstanding. Let's go back to that raid once again. He was stuck on 99 for a very, very long time. And look at Kanchala Shrikant goes in with the block, escapes it, ankle hold missed, and then he pushes everybody, reaches the midline, and he says, "Get off my body." Get him another piece of the t-shirt. Yeah, come on, or else that'll get caught. That is so ugly. And just he changed to 20 number. Oh, guys, do anything that you want. Don't pull the jersey off. It's a tackle point. Again. He's complaining someone pulled his trouser. Did Cheka Nagababu will not lie. He does not lie. It's Sai Kumar's jersey that needed. A jersey which cannot withstand 100 raid points. What are we doing here? But yeah.
काम किया है, और जैसा कि आपने कहा कि उनको लगा कि चलिए क्वालिटी चेक करते हैं कि आपको क्या आपका कपड़े का क्वालिटी है। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुर्नूल नाइट्स के डिफेंड ने सोचा होगा कि चलो यार देखते हैं किस प्रकार से यहाँ पर उनको जर्सी, मजबूत दीवार है यहाँ पर। देखिए कुंचला श्रीकांत उसमें गए ही नहीं।
He's Lokesh Gosalia. So like him, Kanchala Shrikant, of course, doubly built than Lokesh Gosalia, I should say.
क्या यहाँ से कुछ कर पाएगी ये टीम, क्योंकि पिछला जब मुकाबला इन दोनों टीमों ने खेला था बीते हुए कल पे वो टीम हारी थी, और अब यहाँ पर सुपर टैक
with Mohit Chilla, so many stories, very good sport, and I know him even before the professional. Of course, during the I've lost that confidence, Amit. They've lost that urge to try and put up a fight, and now what they're trying to do, because they know that they are in the Super 4s, they're just trying to go with the emotions. That's it. That's what is happening. It's a third all out. Can you believe this? And I'm pretty sure that this is the first match that Vijayanagaram Ninjas are conceding the third all out time. Okay. When you come in new, fresh, people have not seen you. People will be wondering how do you stop this lad who's doing so well? Nights. And speaking of new strategies,
Match over.
Okay, sir. Cheka Nagababu needs to bring out and turns that handlebar mustache, but then he needs to also understand he needs to sit